Hello, Mrs. Lovett again. This week we have been learning how to multiply decimals. We will start by using disk. So if we want 3 copies of 2/10, we can draw 2/10 3 times. So we have 2, 4, 6 disk. So we can write 3 copies of 2/10 as 6/10. We can also do the same problem vertically using the standard algorithm. And to do so, we multiply the lowest place value first. So 3 times 2 is 6. Then we go to the next place value. Kids know how to use the tools better than me. Come on, marker. I want purple. Okay, 3 times 0 is 0. And then we have to place our decimal in the correct spot. So we know that we go 1 place, decimal. So we need to go 1 place, decimal. If our product has to match our factor. So if our factor has tenths, our product needs tenths. So here's another example. 4 2500 times 6. So 6 times 5 is 30. And it's really important to carry the 3 first. Sometimes our students get the numbers mixed up. So carry the 3 first. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3. 15, carry the 1 first. Then 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Now, I need to place my decimal. I can't always just move it down. That does not always work for multiplication, especially when we start multiplying decimals by decimals. So I need to look at my factor. I have 2 places decimal. I need 2 places decimal. So if my factor has hundreds, my product needs hundreds. Now here's an example multiplying by multiple digits. That means more than 1. So we always start with the lowest place value first, and we move our way from the right to the left. That's messy. Okay, so 6 times 2 is 12. Carry the 1 first. Bring down the 2. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and then 2 times 3 is 6. Now that we are finished with the ones place, we are multiplying now by 10. So in order to multiply by 10 using the standard algorithm, we've got to drop that 0. So now we can multiply 1 times 6, 1 times 3, and 1 times 3. Now that we have 2 partial products, we can add them together. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 6 is 13. We carried that 1 first. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now, we are not finished. We can't forget, we have to place our decimal, because 3 times 12, we need to think about that. We can estimate before we start the problem. 12 times 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3. So we need to be close to 36 ones. 4,032 is not close to 36 ones. That is not reasonable. So we need to remember to place that decimal. So we have 1, 2 places, decimal. Now 40 ones is close to 36 ones. So we can always use estimation before using the standard algorithm, if we'd like. Thank you very much.